In today's video, I'm going to teach you Clickup Form tutorial, how to use forms in Clickup. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Clickup, navigate to the right place, add a new form, and decide whether to start from a template or build one from scratch so you can collect information and turn it into organized tasks. First, head to Clickup. You can use the web app in your browser or the desktop app if you have it installed. Sign in and make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want new submissions to land. Forms in ClickUp are tied to the location you create them in, so choosing the right place up front will keep your tasks organized. If you work across multiple teams, glance at the workspace name and make sure you're not in a personal area by mistake. Next, click into the space you want to work on. This is the container where the form will live and where form responses will become tasks. If your space has several folders or lists, that's fine. Starting at the space level keeps things easy, and you can refine structure later. Look for the plus icon to add something new. Depending on your layout, this may appear near the top or along your views bar. If you don't see it, try expanding the sidebar or confirming you have permission to add views in that space. From the Add menu, select Form. ClickUp treats forms as a view type, which means you're not creating a separate app. You're adding a way to capture information directly into your work. Choosing Form here will open the Form Builder area tied to your space. Now choose what form fits your need or start from scratch. ClickUp includes ready-made options designed for common workflows like request intake, feedback collection, or bug reporting. Templates can save time because they come with sensible fields you can keep, rename, or remove. If you're clear on the type of information you need, like contact details, a description, and a priority, pick the template that aligns closest to that. If your use case is unique or you prefer full control, start from a blank form. A blank setup gives you a clean slate so you can structure questions exactly the way your team thinks without extra fields getting in the way. Either route you choose, remember that you can adjust later, so don't overthink it. Select the option that gets you moving fastest. That's it for getting to forms in ClickUp, adding one to the right space, and deciding between a template or a blank canvas. In your next steps, you'll be ready to tailor fields and put the form to work for your team.